Hi, how are you? I hope you're doing good and doing well. And thank you so much for registering my 3 days workshop. And in this workshop, you're going to learn the whole information about Vedic maths. Okay. And let me tell you the brief introduction about Vedic maths. And this video is around 15 to 20 minutes of time. And in this video, I'll tell you about what we are going to do the 3 days workshop and what is Vedic maths and the history of Vedic maths and the meaning of Vedic maths and the advantages of Vedic maths. So let me start this video and presentation. And now first I'll tell you about what are you going to do in the 3 days webinar, 3 days workshop. See, look at here. I hope you saw this one in while registering the overview of 3 days workshop, 3 days workshop, and the day one, 20 minutes of WhatsApp video, which we are watching right now. That is, in this video, I'm going to cover about Vedic maths, introduction about Vedic maths, and the advantages of Vedic maths. And the next, after within 15 minutes of time after the video, you are going to get around 1 hour to 1 hour 15 minutes of subject training, and in that subject training you are going to get 6 techniques of Vedic maths, and along with it one practice worksheet also, where you can practice yourself and check the answers yourself and everything. Subject training in the day 2 also. Tomorrow in the day 2 you are going to get, tomorrow morning again you are going to get a subject training and practice worksheets. And the day 3, I'm going to give you an introduction about career opportunities along with Vedic maths. Okay, along with Vedic maths. And tomorrow evening, I'm going to conduct, day 3 evening, I'm going to conduct a Q&A session of your whole doubts and how to create the revenue with Vedic maths, what are the broad opportunities with Vedic maths, how big is Vedic maths, the potential of Vedic maths. I'm going to show you in a day 3 workshop. Along with it, I'm going to tell you about my paid course in the day 3 evening. Okay, this is what you're going to understand entire procedure of day 3 and day 1, day 2, day 3. And in day 1, you are going to get worksheet around multiplication with the number 9, 3 logics, and second logic, units place and tens place, one special logic, and third logic also special logic, and balancing rule will be helpful for you in the day 2, and complements is also helpful for you in the day 2. All from 9, last from 10 is a rule from the one of the sutra from Vedic maths, and multiplication with double one and triple one. And these 6 logics are special logics and special rules of Vedic maths. Day 2 is the implementation. Okay, day 2 is the implementation of day 1. Day 1 is very simple and special logics. Day 2 is a implementation of Vedic maths. I'm going to give you more 6 logics in the day 2. So this is more than 1 hour, and this is also more than 1 hour. You are going to get in the form of video. You can watch, you can understand, you can solve the worksheet. I'm pretty sure you'll understood well. Okay, pretty sure you'll understood well in these 2 days of workshop. I hope you are clear about it. What are you going to get in these 2 days, in these 3 days of worksheet? So let me start. Okay, let me start about introduction about Vedic maths. What is Vedic maths and its advantages and everything? See, basically, Vedic maths, you're going to learning a world's fastest mental math system, and mental math and Vedic math, quick math, shortcuts that speed up your calculations and with strengthening your fundamental, math fundamental, and advanced Vedic math techniques increase your calculation speed. Okay, increasing your calculation speed. And by the way, what is Vedic maths? What is Vedic maths? See, Vedic maths is a book written by Swami Bharati Krishna Tirthaji, and who was an Indian monk. It was first published in 1965, and Veda is basically a Sanskrit word which means knowledge. Okay, the word was extracted from Sanskrit, and meaning of Vedic is knowledge, and it has a list of mental calculation techniques which are said to be presented in Vedas. we know that we have 4 Vedas. The 4th Veda is called Atharvana Veda. Atharvana Veda is a combination of all sutras and all sciences. And this Vedic maths is a combination of 16 sutras and 13 subsutras, and which can be used in all arithmetic, algebraic, geometric, calculus, and more. Okay, and more. And these sutras, by learning these sutras, okay, by learning these sutras, even can apply and cover almost each and every branch of mathematics, and they can even apply to complex problems involving a large number of mathematical operations. Okay, mathematical operations. Learn the power of Vedic maths in solving complex problems in this course. Okay, in this course. And in the Vedic system, difficult problems or huge problems can often be solved immediately by applying the Vedic method. Okay, these striking the beautiful methods are just a part of complete system of mathematics, which is far more systematic than our modern system of Vedic mathematics. Okay, Vedic mathematics, and these methods are most easy and direct, and which can be simplified, and which can be solved much more easier than our regular traditional methods. By the way, who can join this program? Okay, who can join this program? Basically, anyone can take up this Vedic maths. See, basically, you are attending before, you may be a parent, you may be a teacher, you may be a student. Okay, I'll tell you, especially for the students' perspective, students who is preparing for grade 5th and above, anybody can learn this course. Okay, anybody can learn this course. If you become a teacher, if you become a Vedic maths teacher, and you are going to teach initially grade 5th and above students. And by the way, I'm Satish Konekala, and I'm a teacher, a trainer, and an entrepreneur. I'll tell you about my profile again. Okay, but if you take up this course, if you are a teacher, and it helps to teaching kids in various methods, and very good skill which can you add into your resume. And if you are a housewife, but by sitting in a home, you can earn and get knowledge for themselves, and you can start earning good amount without investing a huge investment, and you can teach your kids as well. An unemployed youth, you will get a respectable employment without doing much efforts. And if you're a fresh graduate, you can start your part-time or full-time teaching with Vedic maths. People who are preparing for competitive exams will be able to try the students enhance entrance exams, which can require speed in various exams like GRE, CAT, SAT, MAT, IBPS, RRB, etc., etc. Entrepreneurs, people who are interested in business, you can start your business almost all zero investment. And by the way, I am a trainer for trainers. I train only teachers and parents. I don't train students of below 10th grade. Okay, below 10th grade. And one more thing, if you learn, by the way, if you learn this course, what are the advantages you're going to get? There are many advantages. I would like to give you 10 main key advantages with Vedic maths. Top responses, top reasons to take this course right now. Okay, and by the end of each topic, you will have a better understanding of the mental math method being explained, and you will be able to calculate 10 to 50 times faster than before, and then have fun with math and get rid of your math phobia, you and your students, anybody, and you can become a human calculator yourself and do mental math calculations lightning fast without the help of calculator, pen or paper. You're going to see how fast I'm going to solve it in the next subject video, and do math with greater ease and greater speed and accuracy, and much more faster than our traditional mathematics, and move from the number phobia, having fun with numbers. And you can also become a human calculator and number file, and perform mental calculations confidently and correctly, and exponentially faster than before. And by the way, I would like to tell you, you will do the calculations of 1500 times faster than normal maths, and this makes the world's fastest mental calculation system, and which improves memory and boosts your self-confidence. The most biggest advantage I would like to tell you, many other people thinks that Vedic maths is nothing but calculations, but it's a much more beyond the calculations. It's a brain development program. Okay, it's a brain development program. We know we have two brains. One is left brain and right brain. The left brain functionalities are understanding skills, listening skills, reading skills, learning skills, and many more. The right brain functionalities are logical skills, creative skills, imagination skills, visualization skills, and many more. Vedic maths is a completely a brain development program which will help you to develop your complete brain. Okay, calculations is a byproduct of Vedic maths. Okay, this is what the advantages with Vedic maths. I hope you got the better idea, better clarity about Vedic maths. Okay, by the end of the video, I would like to explain about my profile. Let me explain about my profile. Very simple. I am Satish Konakala. I am from Hyderabad. And I completed my graduation in 2013. I think many of you people are watching this video are more elder than me. Okay, more elder than me. And then after I started teaching in 2011, while I graduation, I worked as a home tuition teacher. Many of you people know about home tuitions. You may be hired a home tuition, you may be worked as a home tuition, you know something about home tuition. I started working as a home tuition teacher. And then after my graduation, I started working in a corporate school, and I worked for a year, 9 months, especially 9 months, I worked for a corporate school as a maths teacher. And I'm not interested in job. I would like to do something of my own. So I started in a business in 2014. This is my first business. This is my first business in 2014. And I started an academy and tuition center, and in Hyderabad in 2015. Currently, I have 3 branches. 14 people are working under me. And I started an abacus and Vedic maths training and business in 2015. And since last 6 years, we are working in this domain. And now I am a trainer for trainers, teacher for trainer. Okay, teacher for trainer. And I started one startup. This is in classes.in in 2018. And currently, I have 3 businesses. Okay, currently, I have 3 businesses. Still, I am working on Vedic maths in a part-time. By the way, why I explain my journey? Very simple. By looking at journey, I'm still working on a part-time. I hardly work, 10 hours per week. Surprise, how much I earn? You will see in the 3rd day. You will see in the 3rd day how much I'm earning and everything. I work per week just 10 hours. Only 10 hours. As I have 3 businesses, still I am working in a part-time. You will see the power of mathematics, Vedic mathematics in aspects of career in the day 3. So before going to day 3, you just enjoy, learn the subject in these 3 days workshop, and the day 3 in the webinar will catch up again. In the next 30 minutes, you're going to get day 1 subject training video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks a lot. I'll catch you in the live webinar in the day 3, and until you just watch the subject, learn the subject, practice the worksheet. And thank you so much once again. Thank you so much for enrolling, and thanks a lot for watching this video. Thank you so much.